welcome back to my channel. I'm Jakeily and I'm 5. And today I'm going to be making...
I'm Kayden and I'm 3.
And today we are going to be making cake! Chocolate cake! We have all the ingredients. We have all the ingredients. I keep on saying decorations, but not ingredients. See what's perfect. Perfect. I think we can put whatever we want. I think. You can pick the eggs. 3 eggs. I thought I wasn't gonna dirty myself. I shouldn't do that. Here, Mommy.
You need to crack it.
Put it on the table and crack. Don't put the shell in. My mom takes the shells off. Now it's time for the last egg. Don't. I dirtied my hand a little bit. Now we're gonna put the cake mix. Hey, okay, now you put this on the paper. Kayden, don't do this. Put it in here.
Yeah. Run.
Wash your hands again. You don't like to be dirty.
I like to be dirty a little bit, but I don't like to take a shower. Now it's time to add the cake mix together. Hold this part. Let go. Like a volcano.
Run.
Oh, he went to wash his hands again.
I made the volcano. Look at my volcano.
Run.
Oh, we need to pour our water for a second. The oil. You didn't put the water. Now it's mixed. We put it in a bigger bowl because it was going all over the place. Pour it in, guys. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. See you next time. Oven time. Now we wait. So we twisted that little thing. My mom twisted that little thing, and then this is how it started. We twisted that start button. These are 2 big ones. I don't know what are those for. And this is the cake rice, and again. Now I'm gonna play with my Barbies a little bit.
3 days later.
The cake is done, guys! We're cutting it, guys. Kayden, why are you cutting me crazy? Now we're gonna taste it. Now it's time to taste it. It tastes good, guys. Mine just flowed. So, guys. guys, and thanks for watching. But comment down below what videos would you like to see on my channel. It is good. Let me go get my tablet. I can't eat without my tablet. I don't really like to eat with nothing on my face. Thanks for watching. Bye.